Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to do a Q&A. I haven't done one of these in a long time. Dear Abby for Traders. Okay, hope you're doing well. Enjoyed your 4th. Well, I'm in Canada, so we have Canada Day. Thanks, all. Hope you had a good one. Couple of questions. I'm a student of business, not technical, and currently a novice programmer. I am trained in contracts and procurement. Recently worked for IBM. Are you familiar with their Watson program? Absolutely. Probably one of the best AI out there. I am interested in leveraging economic data into that platform, paid or otherwise, to assist my trading strategies. Thoughts? I'm working full-time, overtime now as a blah, 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 minimal time to sit at a computer and do much research currently. Fine. However, I got to watch your Forex seminars and took some notes. I like the sites that you mentioned, but need to explore more about them. Okay, so let's talk about this right here. Interested in leveraging economic data into that platform, paid or otherwise, to assist my trading strategies. There's a lot of different ways you can go about it. Depends what you're trading. I guess you're trading, let me just see, I think it was Forex only, right? Forex, where are you? Yes, I'm going to assume that you just do Forex. Okay, there's a lot of things that you can see. So if you come under my playlist, let's see if I got my Forex playlist. Do I have a Forex playlist? Oh, wow, I thought I had a Forex playlist. What can I say? Okay, well, in the meantime, let's do this. Now, sounds like you're in the US. I'm not sure if this will help you out, but I have a channel on showing you how to use Dukas Copy. Probably if you're starting small, Dukas Copy is good. They're out of Switzerland. As far as I know, they don't support US customers yet. They may. There's an opportunity for them to take advantage of it, but that's a place to learn some of the different brokers out there on the trading. The best thing to do is to learn about Forex. Just obviously do a search on Forex as I'm doing here. There's lots of videos here. I've got 1,500. Obviously, I don't expect you to go through them, but let's just see what I can get. The Forex broker reviews are pretty popular. Like this one on Awanda, the brutally honest one. You can see here about a few thousand people. Download free historical Forex data. I wouldn't recommend that anymore. It's pretty old. Most volatile currency FX pair for my max trading profit. So that's 10 months ago. This may be a decent video to watch. Volatile currency. Yeah, that's where the opportunity lies. Where there's opportunity is risk. Where there's risk, there's reward. So that's what I do look for in my volatile currency pairs. Right now, the ones that I have been watching for are the anything to do with Japanese yen as the markets turn downward. So that's a safe haven. Also a little bit of the Swiss franc as well. Also political turmoil. South Africa is a good one. And I have mentioned this in the past about sticking with European brokers versus US-based brokers. You get a better currency selection. So, for instance, you may not be able to trade the South African rand in the US, but if you go with LMAX, who do take US customers, they do support South African rand, and that is one of those areas that you may want to more focus on in terms of volatility. Because if you just do the 6 big pairs, you're not going to make a lot of money compared to the volatile. But you got to have a really good system to watch. Now, yes, these other videos here are really important because 6 ways your retail trading Forex broker is screwing you. You definitely want to watch that. 30 Little Secret of Uninformed Forex Traders. And so on and so forth. My first trading strategy with Dukas Copy, if that's helpful. But that's pretty well what I'm focusing on right now is the most volatile. And another thing, if you want it US based, you may want to federal. Let me see if I can just do a search on Fed. First systematic trading report for quant analytics, Fed Reserve. That one I just put up for my analytic members, but this is just an example of a Federal Reserve report you can get through my system, which will analyze the economy of the U.S. As well. And there's other areas as well. You want to do trading balance reports. Those are slowly going to get built out for this trading analytics service. But there's lots of things that you can use. There are tons and tons of videos here around that. Here, U.S. complete analysis of U.S. Federal Reserve total economy destruction. I'm just randomly picking these, but there's lots of reports here. Demo of how 10-year Treasury impacts the U.S. dollar is another good one. So on and so forth. There's a lot to learn here. I can't obviously do it in one video. So hopefully I'll help you out somewhere along the line. However, if I got to watch your Forex webinars and took some notes, I like the sites that you mentioned and need to explore more about them. Yeah, there's a lot of different Forex references. A good one, a couple of them actually, are IQ Feed, as I've always mentioned, the IQ Feed as your data feed as a broker. For data feed. Let me just see what the prices are for traders. And then we have actually fees. So $30 a month for really good data. That's pretty cheap. As well as, if you want to see some demos of IQ Feeds, go to the playlist. Go into IQ Feed. Right here. You will get lots of videos, specifically also including Forex as well. I've got quite a few trading scripts that are built around this data, and it's really good. There's also one of the tools that I have talked about in here called XLQ. Check that out. Very powerful. Even for Forex trading as well, or analysis, you can all do it within Excel. What else have I mentioned? Another big website I've not yet subscribed to that's going to be very, very important is tradingeconomics.com. This will give you an analysis by the country, like for instance here, and from there you're able to measure things like interest rates, inflation, jobless, GDP, debt to GDP, so on and so forth. And these sort of metrics cross-reference against each other will have a huge impact on different currency pairs. So I will be obviously watching this, and it is a commercial or paid service. I think it's a couple $100 a month, but it's well worth it for forecasting currency pairs. Okay, let me see if there's anything else I can provide. Okay, looking forward to your response. Overall, like I said, I can't explain all of this in a matter of one video, but these are good references to start on the cheap, except for obviously trading economics because it's very expensive, but IQ Feed's really good. Data is from the FXCM as well, which is okay for the data, just for verification and trading scripts, so on and so forth. So hopefully this will help you. Alrighty, thanks for joining, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.